everyone. I'm gonna show you how to get cute, easy, beachy waves and curls using no heat. So let me show you how. First, make sure your hair is a little moist. It doesn't have to be, don't have it soaking wet, but a little moist. It probably would still work if it's dry, but if you want, you can use some mousse or like some sea salt spray. Spray it in right now if you want that. I'm not going to right now, but sometimes I do and it works really well. So first do that if you want to do that, and then separate your hair into 2 even sections like this, and grab a piece in the front and a piece in the back like this, and then twist them like that. And then each time you form another twist, grab another piece of hair and kind of grab it to the back. So only grab from the front, but slide your thumb all the way to the back and pick up all that hair and twist. So let me show you again. 2 pieces of hair, just grab 2 pieces of hair. It doesn't have to be neat. Twist. Thumb, grab another chunk of hair, add it to this hair, and twist. And just do that all the way down. Like that. So it should look like that. Now, once you get down here, you can either braid the rest of this, or you can twist it. Just twist these in the opposite direction a little bit and then twist them. And that gives you like pretty curly-ish waves. And then grab a ponytail. And just tie it up. Okay, like that. And then it'll come a little loose, but see how it stays like that? You can pin it up like this, but that can sometimes be uncomfortable if you're going to bed. You know, you don't want a plastic clip in the back of your head, but if you leave it like this, it still will turn out pretty, you'll see. Because I'm gonna leave mine like this. And just do the same thing to the other side. 2 pieces and twist. This can work with short hair, long hair, medium hair, and you're not using any heat. So it should look like this. And you can either go to bed with it like this, and in the morning, take it out and shake it around and add some hairspray and scrunch it up a bit, and it'll look so cute. Or I'm not going to bed right now, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for probably a few hours or so until it's basically completely dry. Take it out, put my fingers through it a little bit. It'll be like a natural loose wave. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when I take it out.